What's up? Welcome back to a brand new video, and today I'm going to show you guys how to clear a room. But first, I got a special announcement to make. Well, recently, I just got a brand new partner to do YouTube slash airsoft with me. If you guys go subscribe to my, not subscribe, go follow my Instagram account. It's Braz_airsoft_depot, and if you guys go follow that, he's the only person I'm following, so that's gonna be my partner. He should, it should start with smoke_airsoft or something like that. And yeah, he's gonna be doing my YouTube with me today, and let's get into this. Okay, guys, we're here. We're gonna do the video and stuff like that, and we're gonna clear rooms and stuff like that. So yeah, so how we're gonna clear rooms and stuff like that, I'm gonna put you guys in first person perspective and stuff like that. So you're always gonna want to check your corners first, and then you're gonna want to go like this. Okay, clear up there, and then you're gonna that's all clear over there, and so yeah, you're gonna want to come up in here. Sorry for all like the because I'm in a hay mound, so it's gonna be, you can hear a lot of this. So I apologize for that, and so yeah. And then come over here, the room is all clear, and then you're gonna wanna check this corner. Oops. You're gonna wanna check this corner, clear. You wanna check that corner. Okay, now that's all clear. And you come down through here, because then up in here, that's all clear. Then looks like that's all clear now. So no need to go in there and check that. So it looks like it's all clear. We will be going downstairs, so yeah. I'm gonna try to stay over. I'm gonna try to prevent from going over there. I'm gonna try to stay over in here. So now let's come over here. Okay, we're clear. And come over in here. And then good. So now guys, I gotta go down to the top, to the first floor, and I will meet you guys down there. Okay, guys, now that we are down here, we can now clear the bottom floor. I didn't feel like you guys I didn't feel like I needed to show you guys how to go downstairs, because that's kind of, Okay. So let's clear this room. Clear, and the rest of it is clear as well. Sorry for it to be so dark. I want it to be dark so that nobody is seen. So I ain't seen. I got a bunch of stuff in my head. Hold on. Let's get that out. Okay, guys. Now that I'm done cleaning out my hair, all the cobwebs and stuff. Now that we can be able to start cleaning the rest of the first floor. Go. Okay, that's all clear. Nothing there. Hold on, you guys. Okay, guys. So now we're coming back into here. Sorry for it to be so bright. Out here in New York, it's pretty bright. Okay, now you want to check the corners, check up there, and then you're going to want to check the corners around here. And so that's all I have for you guys today. And I got more stuff in my head. That's all I have for you guys today. So, make sure you guys leave a like, subscribe, and click the bell so you can never miss out on any future videos. And go follow our Instagram accounts. And follow our Instagram accounts so that you never miss out on any future videos and stuff like that. I always post like teasers on my Instagram, on our Instagram accounts. So I always post like teasers on my Instagram account, so you guys can see what I'm doing and stuff like that. And I hope you guys have a safe, fantastic rest of the day. And at 10,000 subscribers, I'll release some merchandise and stuff like that, so you guys can go check that out. Check that out and stuff like that. And so, I hope you guys have a safe and fantastic rest of your day. And don't forget to play some airsoft and just be awesome.